Hey guys, it's Baxter here with Legendary Marine. Wanted to take a few minutes to share a few hints that will help you save some money, time, and heartache in the future. We all know about rinsing our boats out after a day of fishing in salt water, but sometimes you got to take that extra step. Don't forget, it's stainless steel, not stain never steel. All stainless steel or any metals on any boat are subject to corrosion no matter what you paid for it. But it just takes a few extra minutes to prevent that from happening. I'm going to show you an example of a boat we have in here. Gentleman takes great care of the boat. It is dirty right now. It is in for service, but I wanted to take a few minutes to show you that this boat washed every time it's been fished, and just a few extra steps that you can take to make it look pretty. Hang tight. This is probably going to be a little difficult to show on the camera, but this boat, again, a new boat this season, just shows that washing and rinsing your boat alone is not enough to keep that new boat look. So this is your stainless steel hardware. It is the top quality components that you can buy, but it is subject to a little rust and a little corrosion. So I'm going to use two products here. One is called Never Dull and one is Flitz Metal Polish, and show you a little bit of difference of both. Now don't forget that if you neglect this and don't take this extra step, these are kind of like the early signs of pitting and major corrosion. But in just about 30 seconds, I'll be able to knock all of this out. Two detailer secrets that every boater should own. A can of Never Dull and also Flitz Metal Polish. So I'm gonna use the Flitz on the left and the Never Dull on the right. Maybe a good idea to use these two products in tandem. The Never Dull is wadding that comes out of the can. You literally just take the Never Dull wadding and just wipe it all over the stainless steel here, and you can see that it's not really pulling most of it off. But then you're going to let it dry to a haze and make sure to go back and rinse it off. Real quick on this one, you can see the Flitz Metal Polish did a great job on pulling this right out. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and finish with the metal polish and then probably do one more step of the Never Dull on top of that. So in just a quick 30 seconds, I was able to take the Flitz and knock this whole rail out. Just gives you a quick idea of 30 seconds can go a long way. Quick little example here is a before with the hinge on top and an after down below. See that little fiberglass rust right there will come off with Booyah rust remover or hull cleaner, or even FSR, which is fiberglass stain removal. So two great products to use, but you can easily see a before and after. It takes no time at all.